ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Yeah, please just blow this flame away. And I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade, just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Dito naman papalusot natin ang kable. Nilagyan natin ng alambre palusot sa firewall. Kailangan makalusot kasi sa firewall dito. At pinlusot ko na, makikita nyo yung alambre dyan. Actually hanger yan eh, ginamit ko hanger. Then makikita nyo yan o. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. Yun. Mamaya i-connect na to yung ating cable supply. Yan, ang power supply ng ating amplifier. Kailangan palusutin yan. Pati negative na rin, isinama ko na rin negative. Kailangan hihilain yan eh.
Now I have to pass from here in the firewall.
Make sure ko na konektado siya lahat
to the battery.
Para pag hinila,
I'm gonna pull it up there.
Ngayon, i-connect ko na. Ngayon, dito naman sa kabila, hihilain na yan. Yan. Kunting hila yan, pagkahila yan, tapos ang ating problema. Pero actually guys, nilagyan ko yan ng heat shield yan para hindi mo masunog kaagad. Ginamitan ko ng heat shield yan maya po. Kasi nagpo-pull out, pinupull ko pa naman yung kable yan. Maya makikita nyo pa yan, lumabas ng kable. Yan. At magsisimula rin ako ng connecting dyan. Yan naman po yung kable na aking hinila kanina. Yan ang negative. Saka yung remote control na isa, saka yung negative yung pinakadulo ng block. Okay, makatabi ang remote galing sa into naman converter ng high frequency to low frequency dahil lang ang LCD ko wala namang audio out. Yan RCA na itong RCA nito, ito po yung papuntang amplifier na car stereo amplifier. And then ito po, nakakunig po ito sa left and right sa door ng speaker ko. Yan, kinabit ko na lang yan. Yung dalawa, tapos bali left and right yan sa converter. Kailangan nyo talaga to. Kailangan sa wala pong mga isa na wala gusto nyo maglagay ng car stereo or ng another amplifier, kailangan nyo itong converter na to. Yan po yung converter, tinatawag yan. Audio converter. Dito naman, ang ginagawa ko dito, kinukunig ko po na yung remote control na papunta po sa amplifier ko. Ito po siya nagre-remote. Kasi pag pinatay mo yung engine, automatic din mamamatay din power supply ng amplifier. Hindi po siya kumakain ng baterya. Hindi po masisira ang ating battery. Kaya kinukunig ko po dyan.
Okay.
Yan po yung wire na ating remote control. Papunta yan sa amplifier. Yan po yan nakakanig po. Nilagyan ko ng termination para pwede kong makunig yung remote control. Para kung patay mo yung engine, patay din lahat. Pati yung power, yung amplifier. Natatakbo yan sa kabila. Ito yung connection ng ating remote yung galing kinukunig ko kanina. Yan po yung remote control. Final po. Na-arrange na yan. Diba? Inayos ko na po yan para hila-hila. Wala na problema. Ito yung RCA. Yung kinabitan ko. Yun yung RCA. Ito na. Testingin na natin to. Yun na natin yung ating car stereo. Okay. Yan na.
We have the right. We have the right to resist.
Yeah.
This racist, fascist shit. Just say we still believe. Just say we still believe. Yeah, we still believe in love. We still believe in being ourselves. It doesn't matter.
Diyan po sa under seat. Ayan, under seat.
Their sexual identity.
Ayan na, yung ating music. Basta siya.
Get hot every time I come through. When I step up in the spot, make the place sizzle like a summertime cookout.
Ganda na lagubog, oh. Wow. Okay, that's the final setup. Tapos na ako. Ito, titikit ko na lang to sticker.